The Enchanted Seas, Lime and Nerida's magical adventure. Once upon a time in a small village by the sea, there lived a young fisherman named Lime. Lime was a curious soul who loved exploring the shores and dreaming out what lay beyond the horizon. One stormy night, as the waves crashed against the cliffs, Lime noticed a mysterious glow on the water. Intrigued, he decided to row his small boat toward the source of the light. To his amazement, a magical sea creature emerged from the depths. The enchanting being introduced herself as Nerida, the guardian of the ocean's magic. She explained that an ancient sea enchantment was fading and she needed Lime's help to restore it. Excited by the prospect of a grand adventure, Lime agreed to help Nerida. She gifted him a special boat that could travel both above and below the water. Together, they set sail on a journey filled with wonders and challenges. As they sailed, they encountered various sea creatures, mermaids with sparkling tails, wise sea turtles, and playful sea keys. Each encounter brought valuable lessons, testing Lime's courage and kindness. Through these experiences, the bond between Lime and Nerida grew stronger. Their quest led them to an ancient underwater city hidden in the depth of the ocean. The city was in ruins, and at its heart, they discovered a forgotten temple guarded a colossal sea serpent. To prove their worth, they faced riddles and trials, showcasing their bravery and understanding of the sea's magic. With each successfully completed challenge, the enchantment began to reawaken. The once serene city now sparkled with vibrant colors, and the sea creatures celebrated the return of their magic. But the final trial brought forth a powerful storm that tested Lime's character. In a selfless act, Lime protected Nerida from a furious wave. Miraculously, the storm subsided and the enchantment was fully restored. Grateful for Lime's bravery and kindness, Nerida bestowed upon him a special token, a seashell containing a piece of ocean's magic. With the enchanted subshell in hand, Lime could call upon the sea power whenever needed. As they sailed back to Lime's village, he realized that once mysterious sea had become a friend and ally. The villagers, inspired by Lime's magical adventure, learned to appreciate the ocean wonders and enduring magic that dwells within. And so, the coastal village was forever changed by Lime and Nerida's sea's adventure. The tale of their journey was passed down through generations, becoming a cherished story that filled the heart of young and old alike with wonders and gratitude for the enchantment that connected their world to the depth below.